Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street, and I got my swag on.
Hello,
Welcome.
dear.
Welcome. How are you?
I'm doing good, dear.
Thank you so-
Congratulations.
thank you so
You
much.
made me very excited, and believe me, to make me excited, it's really hard. You brought what a wonderful project. What
course.
is this, dear?
I will give you more information about it, but at first, let's sit.
Selamünaleyküm everyone. Welcome to Ozyar Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. We would like to share a very amazing and luxury apartment project in the center of the Istanbul at Şişli area. The biggest apartment and the commercial and the hotel project for you. Today, dear Dünya is going to tell us the details of this amazing project. So dear, we are with you. Please show us and tell us. I'm so excited.
Me
and
also.
Please make me more excited with this beautiful project. Okay,
It's my pleasure.
let's
Let's
start.
go inside.
Wow, what a nice ambience. What a nice sales office. This is the sales office, right?
Yes, it's our
My
sales office,
God.
and also it's going to be event hall of the project.
Oh my God, since the beginning, whole elegant ambience and at the same time luxury details are welcoming us, guys. This is an amazing project, and believe me, one of the main purpose of this video is the CBI. What is it? Citizenship by investment, and this project is so compatible in this purpose too. So please let us know about this amazing project here.
Of course, I can introduce the project from that side.
So there, I want to start with the, how can I say, location-wise. Where are we exactly?
We are in central of the Istanbul, Şişli. Everybody
Şişli.
knows that, and only we have 3 minutes away from E5 highway, where it's connected the Asian side to the European side.
Yeah.
So all the universities is around us, all the hospitals are around us, and all the important places like Charlie and Atliye, only there is 5 minutes away from this project.
So accessibility of this location is so easy.
Of
Yeah,
course.
because when we consider the value of the investment, location-wise is so important item for the property investment too. So the concept of the project is so amazing, and
Of
I
course.
realized that it is like the mixed project. There are commercial units, hotel concept, and the residential units. There are more and more. So will you give me more details in this case,
course.
please?
I want to mention like this, we have the biggest construction lands in this area in
Biggest
Şişli.
construction
Of course,
land over there.
it's
So
537,000 square meters.
what is the size of that project area in
It's
the land area?
100,000 square meters.
100,000 square meters project area in Şişli,
Yes.
in this location.
Yes.
Wow, who is this guy?
And I want to tell you something more. We have 90,000 square meter green area in our
Oh
project.
my God, 10,000 square meters as a land separated for the building, for the construction.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
So right now, we have really strong developer company over here, because to find something else as the size of the 100,000 square meters project area in this region, it is super duper big investment. I think in this case we have very strong developer construction company for this
Exactly.
project too. So that
Exactly.
kind of details are important, because at the end of the day, this project is still under construction term, and the reliability and the power of the developer company in this case is very, very important for the property investment.
And let me give you information about concept of the project. We have 6 blocks. One of them is residence, one of them is office, we have hotel, and we have mixed concept.
Well, how many floors we have in the
37.
apartments? 37 floors in
And
the buildings.
Yeah, and
So-
from the 20th floor, our view will be start. We have Bosphorus and we have Holly Tree in our project.
Oh my God, I can imagine on the top floor, the scenery is going to be amazing. The city, beautiful city scenery of the Istanbul, at the same time, the amazing scenery of the Marmara Sea. But when I mentioned about the 37 floors, directly the question came in my mind. You know, the earthquake is the reality of Turkey. So what kind of precautions you practice for this construction? Because I believe that many people is going to ask Sam these questions. There should be some extra precautions.
Of course.
What are these?
Of course. We use C45 and C50 concrete. These concretes are using for building a bridge in Turkey. This is the first time our company is using in residential buildings.
Yeah, I know that especially on the Euro-Asian tunnel they use
Exactly.
the C52. This is
Exactly.
very strong, very reliable type of the cement. But I have a quick question. I know a little bit technical details. How did you, because this especially C50 type is getting drying so fast. How did you fix that situation?
We built it under our project and we use it directly in our project.
You produce the cement directly under your project?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So because of that, it's not going dry so fast and the quality is so high. And all the things makes this project 1.5 stronger than the hospitals. In Turkey, we have two different construction. One of them the residential and one of them is the hospitals. Hospitals should be strong for 7.5.
Yeah, especially when we consider emergency situations.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So this construction is using C45 and C50 betons, the irons that we are used, the technique that we are used. This all makes this project 1.5 stronger than the hospitals, and it's equal to 9.5 degrees for the earthquake.
Oh, so we can say that Allah muhafaza, inshallah, we don't face that kind of situations. These buildings are going to be durable against the earthquake on the degree of 9.5. 9.5 is the huge, by the way. It's like Allah muhafaza, it's like a disaster. So we can consider this project like against the apocalypse situations.
Exactly.
Oh my God.
Exactly.
I start to already feel very safety. Oh my God. Safety is important, guys. So there are many things to tell you. We decided to sit on the sofas because it is very detailed project. The concept is amazing, and especially it is not just based on the residential and the commercial. I realized that especially on the shots and when you were making the presentation for us, this is definitely life concept.
Of course.
And what is the difference of this project than the other similar project? I realized that ambience is amazing, concept is amazing, but I realized that some differences and the advantages on this project. Will you tell me that the advantages and differences than the others?
Right now, the most important thing is we have a big commercial area under our project, and it is going to be family concept. The luxury brands are coming to this area also. And we have a good view. You know, in Turkey, when you are going to buy a ready project, the prices are going to be really high because of the view, because of the Bosphorus view, because of the Golden Horn view. But right now, we are in the pre-sales, and your clients can do a good invest with a good price and good installments plan.
So also, you got the good point. At the end of the day, we are cooperating with not just how can I say, regular clients. They are proposing the return of investment.
Exactly.
So will you give me furthermore details, furthermore information about the return of investment for this project too?
Of course, we have a good rental guarantee. When you are going to search about this area, we are in heart of the Istanbul, and the rental of the guarantee for 1+1 these days is around $6,000.
$6,000.
It's
oh
only
my
for
God.
1+1. So if your client is going to buy it and give it for rent, they have a good rental guarantee. Or if they want to buy it and resell it, the prices is going to be high for more than 100%.
More than 100%? Oh
Exactly.
my God, it's unbelievable. You are taking the reference point of the dollar?
Yes.
Dollar, even.
Yes.
Oh my God, if you take the reference point of the Turkish liras, it will be maybe more than 500. Wow.
Exactly.
It's amazing. Our motto is that, you know us, as the OZR Projects Real Estate Company, one of our biggest motto is the transparency. We don't hide anything else from the people. So I want to ask, what are the starting price of this project?
1+1 start from $650,000 US, and we have 48 months installment plan.
And the quick question, if a person purchase that kind of unit, and per month, how much money they can get rental income?
They can get $6,000 $6,000 as a rent fee.
6,000 US dollars is so fair and very beneficial investment argument. You're putting the 650,000 US dollars and you are starting to collect 6,000 US dollars per month. But we are still under construction term. When is going to be handover time of this project?
The residential block will be ready in 2027, but the whole project, including the infinity swimming pools, the bridge, the commercial areas, will be take 48 months.
That's normal. At the end of the day, it's a really huge project. We are talking about the 5,600 square meters construction area on the 100,000 square meters land. It's huge project, especially when I consider the situation of the Istanbul at the end of this very busy area. That's normal, but how can I say, we specialize especially for this citizen, providing this citizenship to our investors. In this case, the situation of the title deeds are so important. When the title deeds are going to be ready there?
Our title deeds are going to be ready maximum in 2 months.
So right now we are December of 2025. On the
Exactly.
January, February of 2026, the people are going to be eligible to apply for this citizenship program. That's good thing. That's really good thing, and I believe that you have a really good privilege on the cash payment methods
Of course.
to the buyers too. So dear, this project is a huge project, and there are independent blocks are available on this project too. When we were talking about, I thought how the people are going to be, because at the end of this is going to be compounded, it's going to be separated than the public, but it should be some accessibility between the blocks, because one block is the other way of the road. So how the developer fix that issue? What is the solution in this case?
We think for that, and we will build a tunnel under our project, and it's going to be directly have a connection to the metro station, and for the investors that are going to buy the office, we have a direction directly to Çağlayan Adliye.
Çağlayan Adliye. So you have tunnels between the blocks, and you have tunnels which is getting connect with some important public buildings too. That's so awesome. Wow.
Everybody is talking about Istanbul traffic, so we have this choice for them.
Yeah, that's good. There are so easy accessibility to important buildings around this neighborhood. That's the good advantage, and the architecture design is like very futuristic and it's so impressive. I think we talk more than enough. I think it's time to show some pure reality to our followers. So guys, let us show you the sample property in this amazing project. Wow, dear, the interior ambience of the apartments so impressive, like the exterior design.
Exactly.
I'm looking for each materials and the concept really elegant and very luxury. I realized that there are many cabinets. The developer company practically just for the show off, or these items are coming with the property?
It will become.
Really?
And also the cabinets are Italian brand. And also the kitchen is going to be delivered furnished. It's included the refrigerator, the microwave, the fridge, the gas, the hood, everything you need.
So you mentioned about the Italian brand also. Is there any specification? Is there any specific brand for the electronic appliances in the kitchen too?
It will be a German brand. It will be Gagano.
Gagano, wow. It comes with the oven, microwave, and this is
we have two refrigerators.
Two refrigerators.
First one and the
this
second
is the
one.
So we are in one of the sample house. I think we forgot to mention about the variation of the properties. So what are the minimum size of the properties and the maximum size, and what are the variation of the number of rooms in this project too?
We have 1+0 up to 4+1, and if our client is looking for bigger apartment, we can arrange for them.
That's good. It's starting from 1+0 up to with
4+1, let's say.
Up to 4+1, but when you were making the presentation, you got my attention a lot because some people are looking for the very big units too, so that we can consider like 1+0, 1+1 units like Lego. They can combine the.
Exactly.
That's good, but in this case you need to hurry up because we are on the pre-sales at the future. If the project keeps continuing selling that much fast way, to provide the suitable combinations is very challenging because it's going to be at that time really limited choice. Also, I realized that mashallah tabarakallah, even the property market of Turkey is a little bit slowed down. And you mentioned that in 5 months, how many units you sold?
We can say 80.
80 units in 5 months. And
Exactly.
what was the value of the sales?
It's
How much you
$80
sold?
million.
You made the $80 million
Yes.
sales in 5 months. That number shows how the project is so catchy and how the project is so beneficial. I realized that in my own experiences at the end of the 14 years, if we can sell the products easily, believe me, these kind of properties are bringing high rate return of investment. So the summarization of this project, I can say that it's mixed project. It comes with the commercial units at the same time residential units. The number of units are based on the 4,000 units, but
Exactly.
it might be changing because how can I say, an investor can purchase multiple purchasing and they can combine all that units in one
Together.
ceiling together. And also when I use the step of the ceiling, I realized that the highness of the ceilings is
Yes.
really high over here. This is because of the model house or the same details are going to be practiced in the reality too.
It's going to be delivered in reality. The ceiling height is 3.10.
310 centimeters.
Exactly.
Oh my god, that kind of practice makes the interior living area so special. And when I got inside this property, I directly feel more spacious because of that practice. It's so good. And also I need to mention that how the ceiling is so high. It's extraordinary situation, to be frankly. Would you come over here, please? I want to show. It's going to be a little bit hard, but look to the heights of the door. Oh my god, it is so high, and the quality of the materials are super duper quality. And when we consider the concept of the apartments, we can say that like semi-furnished, because each room comes with its own cabinet. And also, as you see on the video, the kitchen section has many cabinets. As additional, we have electronic appliances inside the kitchen section too. There are many more details like smart house system, anti-lock security. I don't need to even mention about the social amenities, because things like that the 5-star hotel is going to build in this project too. This project offers you more than luxury. This project offers you luxury lifestyle concept in the center of Turkey at Istanbul in Şişli region. So guys, if you want to catch this opportunity, especially for your citizenship purpose, this project is very compatible. High return of investment, amazing concept, and unique location. What else more? For English and Turkish communication, you can direct contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532207864. Also, I have my brother Yasir Shafiq for Urdu language.
जी नाज़रीन, अगर आप हमसे उर्दू में या हिंदी में रब्ता करना चाहें तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं। मेरा नाम है यासिर शफीक। हम लोगों की अपनी एक टीम है यहाँ पर तुर्की में मौजूद है। हम लोग रियल एस्टेट का काम कर रहे हैं। तो मेरा फ़ोन नंबर है 00905313588634। और एक और मज़े की बात यह है कि हमारे पास यहाँ पर फ़ारसी में भी ट्रांसलेटर मौजूद है। If you want to speak in Persian language, we do have a friend available. She can help you out.
دنیا هستم. برای گرفتن اطلاعات بیشتر منتظرتونیم.
Especially in front of you, I want to inform my special thanks for my friend Dunya.
Thanks for
Thank you very much
coming.
for your
Thanks for
amazing
coming.
hospitality. It was very informative and it was very amazing day. So guys, as I mentioned before, if you want to catch these opportunities, please direct contact with us. If you like our videos, please not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe our YouTube channel too, because your supporters are very valuable and unforgettable for us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.